Hello everyone, welcome back to Meerriz Tech. Still haven't created your Gmail account? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a Gmail account from scratch. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Click on Create Account at the top right corner. Select For Personal Use. Now enter your first name and last name. Last name is optional. Click Next. Enter your date of birth. Note, the minimum age to create a Gmail account varies by country, usually between 14 to 16 years. Select your gender from the drop-down menu, then click Next. Google will now show you some email suggestions based on your name. If you like one, just pick it. Or choose Create your own Gmail address and type your preferred one. In my case, first option is best fit for me. If the address is available, click Next. If not, try a different one until it's accepted. Now enter a secure password and confirm it by typing it again. Click Next. Google may ask you to add a recovery email. You can skip it for now, but don't forget your password without a recovery email. It's very hard to recover your account if you lose access. Finally, click Next, then agree to the terms of service. And that's it. You've successfully created your first Gmail account. If you need any help, just drop a comment. I'll personally help you out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Meerriz Tech, and let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.